G'day everybody, it's Brody from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove a Skoda Superb sound system. Problems you may be experiencing are that it continually reboots and never fully gets to the listening function of the radio. Tools you will need is a Torque 20 screwdriver and a plastic spudger. Alrighty, let's get it underway. So the first part you're going to remove is this. We've got ours loose. It's just a plastic surround held in by clips. You'll need to unclip it and pull it completely out. These clips here are what hold it in, so you might need to give it a little bit of force. Just don't edge one corner and break it in the middle. Edge it out a bit at a time. And once you've got that out, that will expose 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. You'll need to remove those 4 screws with your Torque 20, and then the whole radio will come out. Now it will be connected via some electrical connections. The main one you need to get them all out. So that one there has got a little center pin. You'll need to remove that and pull it back, then pull the cable towards the front of the car and that will unplug. Don't worry about getting them in the wrong place on reinstallation. They only go in one hole. Okay, ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair.